Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel SHIVTECH. Today we will learn how to use WhatsApp in laptop. Let's start. First of all, we have to go to our Chrome browser. After that, we have to search for WhatsApp. Now, we will open WhatsApp. After searching, we will see some interface. After that, we will see this QR code. We have to scan this QR code from our mobile. We have to go to WhatsApp. After that, we have to search on 3 dot. After that, we will get the option. Third option is link device. Click on it. After that, we will get the option to click on link device. It will ask for the mobile data, according to which you have to connect. After that, we have to scan this QR code. You can see the interface. Now, it will log in. You can see my WhatsApp is open. We can message or type to anyone. I will open this message. You can see WhatsApp message is open. You can reply to it. If you want to see the status of anyone, you will get the option of community. Click on the status. You can see the status of the people who have put the status. You can click on it. You can see the status of God. You can type and reply to it. You can see the status of God. If you want to change the profile, click on Profile. Click on Change Photo Profile. I am not doing it now. You can change your name from here. You can write something about yourself. If you want to see WhatsApp on your desktop screen, click on 3 dot. You will get the option of More Tool. Now, get More Tool. Then open Create SHIVTECH. And you will see this page. Residential age. Click on Create. You can see the pop-up that Alexa people are on the meows. You can see the text bar. The system is registered, so we don't have to go to our website or Chrome. We will double-click on it and our WhatsApp will open. See, after that we have to log out from our WhatsApp. So we have to click on this 3 dot. After this, we will get the last option. Log out. It will ask for confirmation. See, our login is out. See, we have to link it again. Scan it with your mobile's QR code. And our WhatsApp will open in our laptop. If you like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.